Our brain, a masterpiece of evolution, has been slowly fine-tuning itself for millions of years. Imagine us leisurely living amidst nature, chilling and bonding with our tribes. This was the life we were prepared for. And then, out of the blue, our neighbor Frank figured out how to create fire. The next day, this smart-ass Josh followed up with an invention of a wheel. Fast forward a bit and now Monica has transitioned from traditional gathering to industrial farming of genetically modified crops. And here we are, zipping around in flying cars, conversing with AI in virtual reality. But here's the catch. Technology doesn't wait for our brain to catch up, and evolution is too slow to keep up. We find ourselves at crossroads, caught between the rhythms of nature we are wired for and the tsunami of technological advancements we have created. In this channel, I aim to delve into those groundbreaking technologies and their profound impact on our lives, beliefs, and behaviors. I will explore how technology can enhance our psychological well-being, as well as highlight potential pitfalls and issues of our inventions. At least once a month, I will share intriguing papers, insights, and stories on the very edge of psychology and technology. So sit tight and listen to stories about simple human beings trying to figure out their place in this digitalized savannah. In this new world, cave paintings are painted with prompt, not pigments. Predators are after our attention, not our flesh, and our tribe gathers on Zoom, not around the fire. See you in the next video.